Hey guys, this is Maria from resize.com, and in this video I'll show you how to add stickers to TikTok videos. Inserting animated stickers into your videos, you can easily make your videos to stand out from a crowd of other TikTok content. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you may do it. Log into TikTok, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Once the camera window opens, tap the button in order to record a video or upload the one from your camera roll by hitting the gallery icon on the right. Find the stickers icon at the bottom and press on it. After that, scroll down and select the sticker you like. Now you can resize the sticker and put wherever you want on your video. Also, you may edit your video by adding sounds, applying filters, effects, or writing something if you want. Once your video is ready, tap the next button. Now simply click on the post button in order to upload your video. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to add stickers to TikTok videos. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.